that video that we was watching yesterday?
Yeah.
When the volcano erupted, did you see the changes that happened?
Yeah.
Okay, I make you some question about what do you think that happens when a volcano erupts, and you gave me some facts. I want to listen to you today. Natalie.
When the volcano erupts, this does not all stay brown. Some of it's like orange and red, and the whole land around it is destroyed.
It's destroyed.
Because it's all with lava with the volcano.
And the lava is very hot. And then what happens with the lava when it's in contact with the air? And it's cool. What happens?
It starts getting into rock.
Exactly. It turns into rock, and then you can imagine a land that have a plenty flowers and plenty trees, and it's covered with lava. So what is going to happen with that place? It's going to turn into rock. Okay. The magma is inside. How is that called? It's magma. And when it's outside of the volcano, it's called lava. Magma when it's inside of the volcano, and lava when it's outside of the volcano. Where the magma is located, in which layer of the air? Mantle, right? Because the mantle is made of molten rocks. Okay? Who remember the 4 layers of the air? Who remember?
Inner core, outer core, mantle, crust.
Okay, inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Inner core, mantle, and good job. Mantle and yeah. Remember how the lava look like, and how is the lava? Is the lava cold or very, very, very hot?
Very, very
Very hot. Okay. We need to use water. And what is this? Liquid soap. Okay?
I like it. That's why. I'm going to touch my eye.
Wear Nicholas, because in the lab where we are doing experiment, you have to wear the goggles, okay?
I want to What?
Okay, let's count, I think 30 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. This is a measuring cup, okay? I want to see how much I have of this to figure out how much I'm going to use. I have a half. Look. Amazing.
That's pink.
Don't touch.
It's pink.
Yeah, it's hot pink.
It looks like
It's hot pink.
And then
Is that the volcano erupt, okay, the real volcano, and then you can imagine the lava is a molten rock that is very, very, very hot, okay?
Is that gonna keep on going forever?
oh my
No.
god, it's
It's going to start when the amount of baking soda and vinegar react.
Oh, we take off our